Hello students, today we will see MS Excel. Okay, so MS Excel, what I will do, this is my desktop. Okay, on the screen right click, go to new, in that here Microsoft Excel worksheet, click on that, double click on that. So the document window it will open, document and Excel window it will open. So this is called MS Excel. So this white lines, white sheet is called worksheet area. So as you know that in Excel, so MS Office, in MS Office there are three parts: MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. Okay, in three, so there are two windows: address window, this is address window, this is a document window, or in Excel it is called worksheet area. So this is called worksheet area, this is called address window. So worksheet area is present within the address area. Okay, so 1 second, I will check the whether record is doing or not. Yeah, okay. So I already told that MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, it is very important for you people. Why? Because we can write the data in MS Excel. Data means it gives information about the particular sector. For example, company, okay, company, in company, employees ID, salary, name, phone number, and their PF, so etc. For example, in your school also, student name, student marks, student class, then student address. So these are the attributes. Okay, so these are the attributes. For example, bank, account number, name, account holder name. So in hospital, patient. So like that, this MS Excel, it is very useful for you people. Why? Because after completion of your degree and all, minimum qualification that MS Excel you have to know about this. Okay, clear? So today we will see parts of the Excel window. So before going to that, see here, I will explain parts of the Excel window. So I already told that Microsoft Excel, it is a computer application program. Okay, computer application program, it is used for to perform particular operation. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, this is an application software. This application software is most important part of the software. What is software? Software is a collection of programs. What is program? Program is collection of instruction. What is instruction? Instruction, it gives minimum information. Okay, information. So there is a difference between data as well as the information. So instruction. Okay, data means, what is data? Data, it gives information about the particular sector. Okay, so here what we will do, as we know that MS Excel is a Microsoft Excel. Okay, so in example of MS Excels are MS Excel 2003, MS Excel 2007, MS Excel 2010, so on. Always we have to use only one version of the Excel because it avoids the confusion. Okay, using several versions of MS Excel, it creates confusion. That's why, so MS Excel, we are using only one MS Excel we have to use every time. Okay, MS Excel is a software, okay, used to create electronic spreadsheets or electronic worksheets. So Excel document containing worksheets called workbook, worksheets called workbook. So here see, So this is electronic sheet 1, electronic sheet 2, so electronic sheet 3. There are minimum 3 when we are opening this Excel window, minimum 3 sheets compulsorily available. Okay, so binding of these 3 or binding of these sheets called workbook. Okay, so and again these are the rows, these are the columns. Okay, so I already, so you know that what are columns, sorry, what are columns means grouping of cells, grouping of cells runs from top to bottom. Okay, grouping of cells runs from top to bottom is called columns. If you click here, it will select. Okay, and this grouping of cells runs are arranged from left to right, are called rows. So here see this rectangular box. Okay, rectangular box is called cell. Okay, what is the cell? The intersection between, okay, intersection between rows and columns called cell. Okay, rows and columns called cell. Okay, so how many rows, how many columns are there? So from A to Z. So where is horizontal scroll bar? A to Z. So see A to Z, then after that AA, AB, AC, like that, AZ, after that BA, BB, BC. So like that it will comes. So overall the columns number is 16,384. 16,384 columns are present in one sheet, Excel sheet. And rows, how many rows are there? How many rows? So 1, 2 here, 1 to 10 lakh 48,000, 48,576 rows are present. Okay, rows are present. So cell pointer, this is a cell pointer. See cursor, it is in address window, it like a selection pointer. Okay, but in this precise selection pointer it will come. Precise, this plus 3D plus is called precise selection pointer. Okay, so if I want if see page number, see here what happened, my text, okay, whatever I am writing here, this text is beyond this limit. Okay, then how to arrange this? Go to this border, so width, we can arrange the width also. Here see this border, it will, we can make decrease or we can make increase the things. Okay, clear? So this is the name box we are calling. What it will do here, see row 1 F1 means column into row, production of or product of column and row is called name box. Okay, this is called formula bar. Okay, this is called formula bar, I will tell you afterwards. Okay, so here see parts of Excel window. In parts of Excel window, we know that this is the title bar. Okay, this is title bar. We can save the name, we can change the name. Okay, so what it will show? It will show that currently working document area, currently working Excel window, working sheet, worksheet. Okay, so spreadsheet is nothing but worksheet. What is the spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is arranged. Okay, spreadsheet is arrangement of rows and columns in systematic way. Okay, spreadsheet is so okay. Spreadsheet. So these are the sheets, right? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So these sheets are called spreadsheet. So MS Excel is an application software to perform electronic spreadsheet. What are the electronic spreadsheets? So electronic spreadsheet using MS Excel. We can create electronic spreadsheets. So what are the spreadsheet means? That means spreadsheet is nothing but, see here, these are the rows and these are the columns, right? So proper arrangements of the rows and columns called spreadsheet. Proper arrangement of the rows. Okay, proper arrangements of rows and columns called spreadsheet. Okay, so spreadsheet is most powerful programs to perform simple as well as complicated calculations. How means, see here, if I want to write, for example, see January, okay, February, right? So move here, plus arrow mark it will come. See January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again January, February, March. So like this it will perform. And then what are the things? '20, '21, wait, okay, it's moving on. So 1, 2. So now what I will do? Fill series. Okay, if I give fill series, it will comes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So using this spreadsheet we can save the time. So that's why we are using spreadsheets and all. And next, okay, so parts here, see, this is the title bar, quick access toolbar. Okay, so these are the menu bar icons. Okay, so this is also called ribbons. Okay, so in a ribbon there are two types of tabs as well as groups. Okay, every tab having groups, having groups. These are called ribbon. Okay, ribbon having. So in Word we are calling this as a menu bar, right? So here also this is called menu bar, but every single command is called ribbon because ribbon having two parts, that is tab as well as group, right? So as we know that access toolbar, we are using access toolbar. Why means quickly perform the operations. Okay, then after that these are called row heading, and this is called cell, and this is name box, right? Because cell, active cell, what we have to perform the operation, this is called active cell. It addresses as a H6. Okay, H column, 6 row. Okay, if I want to write anything here, see, if I want to write anything, so it will show here, that is formula bar. It is called formula bar. Why? Because for example here see some what 9 enter 9. Okay, so if I want to add these two, okay, what I will do is equal to sum. In Excel we have to give any operation, arithmetic operations starting with is equal to only, then open bracket, select these two, enter 18. See, it will shows 9, it will shows 9 in formula bar, but come here total, then it will shows like this. So sum I6 colon I7, okay, like this formula bar it will gives the answer. So I already told that quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, this is present on the toolbar. This helps to do common task within just one click. Okay. If I want to change the name, see here what it will happen. Right click on this, rename, something you want to give, okay, hi, I am giving hi 1, okay. So this sheet name is hi 1, okay. Status bar, this appears, this displays current status of the cell. Here zoom option is also there. If I want zoom, so like this, or otherwise I can make the things like, okay. So next I told that active cell. So this is called active cell. Active cell with a dark boundary around, okay. It is also called the active cell. So selected cell are current cell, okay. Then what else in the so control menu bar. These are the control menu bar: minimize, maximize and close button. Clear? So this is the Excel, parts of the Excel in document area. We also know that active cell is present, rows and present, spreadsheets also present, okay. So then in a name box below the ribbon left side button, formula bar. So E5 is the shortcut key for this. This area displays the location of the cell pointer, okay. Active cell where it is present, it will show like this, okay. So next we will move on to the features. Features of Excel means functions and formulas we can use. I already told that Excel has provides many built-in formulas, right. Many built-in formulas used for calculating sum, average, okay. For example, see here is equal to, is equal to sum is present, okay. Sum is, this is adds all the numbers in a range of cells, okay. It adds, if I want to see here sum, okay. We have to give open flower bracket, then only it will opens the all so total 105. If you want this, see here, okay, and is equal to, I want to see this average, okay, average, here average is also present, right. So, in further class I will tell all those things, right, percentage is also present. So, then next feature is formatting. Excel provides formatting features like bold, where is home, here home is there. So, select something, page number, here I am selecting the page number, right. So, I want bold, okay, italic, underline, see what will happen. So, like this, clear. So, next auto calculation mode. So, I already told that here January is there, no. So, right, Monday I am giving here, Monday, Tuesday, right. I click on this, see here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, like this is called auto calculation, okay, auto calculation. If I want to change some data, okay, data, okay. So, these are the data, right. So, I want to find and replace, see here, this is the option in formatting, not this is formatting, standard toolbar, here find and select is present, go find, I want to replace also. So, there I have given a data, right. So, I will move on to the, I want to replace date, right. All done, we made 4 replacement, okay na. See, date. Okay. So, this is one common feature. First feature what it is? It will shows that built-in predefined formulas, that is sum, average, percentage, etc. Complicated calculations also we can do in Excel. Using this Excel we can perform the actions, and auto calculation is also we can do, and page format means text format. If I do not want this text, okay, I can change the things, I can change the background color also, right. I want to change that color, right. What a color, okay, I want this, right. If I want to change font color, okay, like this it will show. So, this is called auto fill. It provides facility to fill the series of data automatically, and charts data can be represented in the form of charts, okay, in the form of charts. So, these are the features of Excel and parts of the Excel. So, what is Excel? MS Excel is a software, okay, application software, computer application software. It is used for to create electronic spreadsheets or worksheets. That is why we are using an Excel document containing worksheets called workbook. And then what we else, using this we can create the worksheets. So, we saw features of Excel, parts of Excel, then definition of the spreadsheets, and use of the Excel, okay. So, changing name and all we studied here, just you go through this once, okay. After that we will see the next things, okay. Take care, bye.